मदीने के ज़ाहिर खुदा के लिए दास्ताने सफर मुझको यूं मत सुना, बात बढ़ जाएगी दिल तड़प जाएगा, मेरे मोहतात आंसू छलक जाएंगे।
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am here at Masjid Quba and I'm going to show you guys around real quick. See, this is the exterior view. This is actually, this whole area is called Quba Square now, and you can see Al Sira journey to Quba. They have all these new things here, mashallah. There's actually a walkway over there as well, mashallah. But onwards to Masjid Quba, and you can see like they're building a lot more over here, mashallah. Very developed now. And I was here like a little bit over a year ago, and there was not this much development, so this is all new, mashallah. Look at the beautiful minars of Masjid Quba, mashallah. So this masjid, this is where you actually, like, when you enter the city of Medina, it's sunnah to pray 2 rakat here. And you know, I came by train, so like I was exhausted, I didn't sleep, I didn't get a chance to. I wish I did, but the moment I entered, I did not get a chance to. So I'm here now, and I'll do my 2 rakat, inshallah. I'm going to show you guys the men's section, and we'll go from there. Sisters is on the left side, and men's is this side right here. So men's masalla, you see. And wow, this is so different now. This used to be all like a pigeon choke type of thing, mashallah. And now it's completely different. So this is the entrance to Masjid Quba, and the signature is these little bands right here. It's open square within the masjid, mashallah. Beautiful. Everything inside the masjid is still the same. I believe actually pigeon choke is that way. I came from the other side, so that was the back side. Pigeon choke should still be there. They have umbrellas and things like that now over there. Mashallah, this is so nice and lighted up during the daytime. You can see the mountain there as well. A little hard to see it, but right from inside the masjid, mashallah. Beautiful. And this is the main part of the masjid, mashallah, beautiful. I'm just gonna walk real quick and show the pigeon. A little hard to see. But again, that's very developed now. So we're gonna walk up here, and you see they have like images for like not keeping your shoes on the floor and stuff. Mashallah. Let's find a spot to put my shoes. Actually, they have little things right here, so you can put them in these sections right here. Just remember your number. So I'm gonna put it in 11. And mashallah, it's so nice and cool in here. I'll give you a little overview of the architecture of this masjid, mashallah. So this is all prayer area right here, mashallah. A lot of people like to come here and just chill. It's nice and cool too. And you can see this, mashallah. And then we'll move on to this side. Mashallah. Prayer times are 12:27 at the door. And this is where the imam leads the prayers. So intricate. This is a view of the open square. And this is where the khutbah is given. Mashallah. So we're just gonna walk up to here and do 2 rakat. Inshallah, I'll see you guys on the outside. Inshallah, the architecture of this masjid is just breathtaking. The calligraphy, architecture, everything. You can see they have these little spikes above each item. That's for not letting the birds sit up on these things. So beautiful, so peaceful. Surah Fatiha. Mashallah. mashallah. Well, the beautiful thing is that Masjid Quba was the first masjid of Islam, mashallah. So that's why it's such a good thing and such a like a sunnah to come here and do 2 rakat, mashallah. Very important landmark for us Muslims. Very important part of Islamic history, mashallah. And I'm just gonna walk on this side. I'm waiting on my ride. I have to head back to the hotel and meet somebody. So I'm just gonna show you this side, mashallah. This is the pigeon chalk. I'm gonna just grab my shoes again. 11. The Safai Khoriye, mashallah Masjid. They have a whole drinking water station back here too, mashallah. Very, very nice. And you can see the second floor, I believe that's for ladies, if I'm not mistaken. I love the ACs here, it's so nice. The doors, mashallah. Mashallah, the architecture is breathtaking. Mashallah, and this is the view right here. You can see, mashallah, it's beautiful. There's actually a day garden back there. I'm not sure how significant it is, but it's a day garden. I've heard it from many people and I've never gone, but inshallah maybe one day I will. Right now I'm kind of in a rush, so I can't. The view of Masjid Quba from this walking distance. So I have to actually go this way, my ride. But they built this beautiful garden over here. I really wish I could go to that day garden over there, because day gardens in Medina are just next level. It's so much sukoon and the shade from the date trees. Just drinking chai over there. I did that at Hazrat Salman Farsi radiallahu ta'ala anhu's day garden, and it was one of the best, most relaxing experiences I've had, mashallah. Oh my gosh, there's a whole group of pilgrims. Let me show you guys. Big group, mashallah. But this is very beautiful. I've never seen this before at Masjid Quba, so this has to be new. And they have some biographical information. House of the Companion, Kulthum bin al-Hidm. This house is attributed to the noble companion Kulthum bin al-Hadam, may Allah be pleased with him, from Banu Amr bin Auf, from the Aus tribe. He passed away shortly after the Prophet ﷺ's migration. Sorry, a little bit out of breath, it's really hot, so just you guys can read this, mashallah. And then here's information about Masjid Quba. First established masjid in Islam when the Prophet ﷺ, may Allah bless him and grant him peace, migrated to Medina in the first year of Hijrah. It is mentioned in the Holy Quran, verily the mosque whose foundation was laid on the first day of piety is more worthy than you stand there and to pray. In it are men who love to clean and purify themselves. MashaAllah, like that's just heartwarming, mashallah. Masjid Quba. The side profile. So it's called Al Masqaba Square. Al Masqaba or Al Masqaba, I'm not sure. We'll take out this cat. Hello. Poor thing. Oh, there's 2 of them. Mashallah. So this is the ride pickup area. They basically pick you up from this area right here. That's the Quba walkway too, I think, if I'm not mistaken, to Masjid Al Nabawi Sharif. Mashallah. And here is another information about Masjid Al Quba. So this is where they pick up, by the way.
بكماله بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى